Hello everyone, myself Mohammad Asif Shahriar. Right now I'm working with some of my friends in the capital city of Bangladesh. I have completed my undergraduate in 2020. My major was computer science and engineering. My alma mater was Daffodil International University. I'm an ex-software engineer from Ultra XPD. Right now I'm in between job, although I am full-time content creator on YouTube. On top of that, I'm preparing myself for my higher study, and I'm as keen as mustard to get a scholarship from a top class university. And this is the key explanation why I'm taking my IELTS course. To complete my IELTS journey, I chose United English World. In that institution, we have Mr. Sagar sir. He actually conducts all the classes. We have 3 classes in a week and 2 extra sessions for our speaking. And in our speaking session, we have a lot of expert peoples around us who usually give us suggestions, and in that manner we actually try to improve our Achilles heels. On the other hand, in our class, Sagar sir always provide us information in which university we will apply, and in which way we can get a scholarship, which country will suit us. Those kinds of information we get from our teachers, and we are very lucky to have that kind of person in our class. And if you are planning to sit in exam, I should say just make a conversation with our teacher. After that you will know how expert he is in English. And if you planning to go abroad for your higher study, I should say it is high time and make hay while the sun shine. Have a good day. Thank you.